Challenges of rocket launch in Israel. Israel has long pushed the boundaries of aerospace innovation, but launching rockets here presents unique and formidable challenges. First, geographical constraints force all orbital and defense launches westward over the Mediterranean. This retrograde trajectory against Earth rotation slashes payload capacity by about 30% compared to eastward sorties. Plus, the nation cannot risk overfly paths across neighboring territories, both for debris safety and political sensitivity. Second, today's rocket technologies like the solid motor shaft are aging and expendable, lacking reusability found in global competitors like SpaceX's Falcon. As a result, cost per launch remain high, limiting Israel's competitiveness in the commercial space market. Third, Israel lacks expansive land for launch pads. Its primary site at Palmachem is tightly constrained next to civilian populations, meaning every failure or dud could have serious fallout. That is why concepts like air-launching rocket from a modified Boeing 747 or sea-based platforms are being explored. While air launch could nearly double payload capacity, it brings technical complexity, expense, and diplomatic hurdles. Fourth, the security environment compounds the challenges. Israel must coordinate missile tests within a multi-level defense network, Iron Dome, David Sling, Arrow, while also launching satellites, all under constant surveillance and threat from Iran-linked forces. Operational coordination, risk of accidental escalation, and maintaining secrecy add layers of difficulty. Finally, defense priorities siphon resources. Budget allocations often favor missile defense. Iron Dome intercepts hundreds of rockets monthly over innovation in launch infrastructure. Even advanced concepts like air launch require significant funding and political backing. Despite these challenges, Israel persists. From evolving concepts like airborne launch to potential sea platform strategies, the nation is determined to maintain sovereign launch capability, protect its satellite, and expand its presence in space. Thanks for watching.